This keyboard has an insane value for money, and I'll show you why. A keyboard by TKD. This is CYCLE7. It comes with aluminum case and a nice shape. It has flex-cut PCB with an optional seal to make it less flex. It has 2 mounting style, gasket strips, and gasket beans. And this is my favorite part. They implement a system called Easy Assemble, which doesn't need any screws. Just simply and all set. For Indonesian friends, you can purchase CYCLE7 from Cookie Studio, starting from 2.3 million rupiahs. Link in my bio. So now you know that